This video is to show you how to replace the Teflon film for hard wet. If the resin does not enter between the Teflon film and the silicone, just clean the vat before removing the film. Use soap water or IPA to clean the vat. Do not soak the vat in the IPA. Otherwise, clean the vat after removing the film. Dump the soap water away and then leave the vat stand against the wall. Next, use a pair of tweezers to remove the old Teflon film from one of the corners gently. And then use a pencil to trace the rectangular shape of the vat on a piece of white paper. Draw another rectangle inside the previous rectangle with the size of 125 by 212 mm. This is the size of the Teflon film. Leave a 5 mm margin on the left side and 10 mm on the bottom. Now align the vat back inside its contour trace on the paper. Pour in 5 ml to 10 ml of UV LOCA, which is liquid optical clear adhesive. If you do not need extra adhesion from the adhesive, you can simply lay down the film on top of the silicone without the LOCA. Use a rubber scraper to spread out the LOCA evenly across the silicone. The Teflon film has two sides. One side is treated and one side is untreated. There's a label stick untreated side, which is the side that is used for printing. And for the treated side, the adhesion is higher. And this side is used for bonding the Teflon film on top of the silicone. And the untreated side is more hydrophobic. You can use a marker pen to check if the side is correct. And this untreated side should face up. So next, just make sure the treated side is facing silicone and lay down the Teflon film from the front side. And that's the front short side of the vat. Move and align the Teflon film with the small rectangle on the paper. Slowly drive the LOCA out between the Teflon film and the silicone. You may need to put pressure on the film with a finger to avoid the film moving while you are driving the LOCA. Be careful not to trap air inside. Recycle the residual LOCA back in the bottle. Use a cloth to wipe the remaining LOCA away. Use another clean cloth to clean up the vat with IPA. Leave the vat under a UV lamp or sunlight to cure the LOCA.